Hey everybody, and welcome to SQL Practice Problems. This is a level 1 video, and in this video you will only have access to select from, where, and, or, in, like, between, less than, greater than, and equals. So the outlines are in the description along with the dataset and the answer key. We will cover the answer key after the title, so in case I don't see you, like, comment, subscribe. Good luck and have fun. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and run this script for the create dataset just to make sure we are on the same page. And there we go. In this video, we only had one dataset, TBL person. So this is your last chance to pause the video before I jump into the answer key. And here we go. So this is a level 1 practice query. The only syntax you were allowed to use was select from, where, and an or, in, between, like, less than, greater than, equals. So this is one of the videos I use in my Learn SQL without prior coding experience. So if you're here for extra work, awesome. I'm glad you are continuing. So the first request that I had was I'm requesting all person information where their eye color is blue or red. And there are two solutions to this. Both of them, we have the select star from TBL person, where eye color equals blue, because we're asking for a specific value, this is quoted, or eye color equals red. Same thing, asking for a specific value, so red is quoted. When I run this, I should get 27 records back. And the other way to write this is just where eye color in, quote, blue quote, comma, quote, red quote. So if I run this one, I will get the same data back, 27 records. For the next request, it was I am requesting all person information where their hair color is gray or dyed and their eye color is red. So again, two different solutions depending on if you're using in or you are not using in. We still have select star from TBL person, where hair color equals, quote, gray, or hair color equals, quote, dyed, in parentheses. Remember, order of operations, so this is going to fire and then attach the eye color equals red. So, and eye color equals red to make sure that everything we get back, the hair color is gray or dyed, and the eye color is red. So if we run this, we get 2 records back. Now the other solution was a little cleaner, but it's okay if you did not use in. It is where hair color in, quote, gray, quote, comma, quote, dyed, quote, and eye color equals red. So if I go ahead and run this, I will get the same 2 records back. So for the third request, I'm requesting all person information where their hair color is gray and eye color is red, or their skin tone is less than or equal to 3. Another similar take on the parentheses, wrapping our ands and ors in parentheses in the where clause. So we have select star from TBL person, where hair color equals, quote, gray, quote, and eye color equals, quote, red, quote, in parentheses, or open parentheses, skin tone less than equal to 3 close parentheses. Now these parentheses they do not matter if you have them or not. I do just wrap them when I'm using ors to make sure I can follow the order of operations. So if I go ahead and run this, I will get 8 records back, where we have skin tone less than or equal to 3 if the eye color is not red and hair color is not gray, that combination. So finally, the last request that I had was I'm requesting all person information where their last name comes after G and their skin type is combination. So just to drill in that greater than with a value, a text value, I have select star from TBL person, where person last name greater than, quote, G, quote, and skin type equals combination. So this allows us to look for a last name that comes after G in the alphabet in a dictionary or ordered list of alphabetically ordered list of names, and their skin type had to be combination. So if I go ahead and execute this, I should get 18 records back. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you got 4 out of 4. You know, you're on your way to becoming an amazing developer. So like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next practice video.